friends. Happy Thursday. We are almost finished with this week. Can you believe it? You've done a great job as we've started back to school, and I'm so proud of all your hard work. Let's talk about what we're going to do today. All right, the first thing we're going to talk about today in our Bible time is more practice with our memory verse. Remember that on Tuesday, we started a new project, which is a student choice board. So that means that for each of these, you can decide which one you would like to do to practice your Bible verse today. Remember, when you click View Instructions, you can find the Bible verse here. You can listen to me say the Bible verse, or you can see the words written here that have the Bible verse. Then I can close out of this page, and I can choose which one of these activities I would like to do. So yesterday, friends, on Tuesday, we talked about how to make a Bible verse puzzle. Today we're going to talk about the second option, which is how to practice the Bible verse using our song. Now, you don't have to do this one. You can choose any of these options. You can draw the Bible verse. You can create word art with the Bible verse. You can make a video acting out the Bible verse. You can make an audio saying the Bible verse. You can make a wax resist with the Bible verse. You can write your Bible verse on a whiteboard and erase one word at a time as you practice. Or you can create a paper chain with the Bible verse. You can also make another Bible verse puzzle. If you already did that, or if you haven't done it yet, you can do that today too. But let's talk about what does it mean to practice the song. So to practice the song, I need to click this link. Once I click the link, it will open up the page that has the video of the song, and I can listen to the song. Now, this is not a long video, so I can make sure to practice a few times. I don't have to just listen to it one time. To practice the Bible verse with the song, I don't have to make an audio. I don't have to make a video. You don't have to do anything else, friends. The only thing you're going to have to do is just put a circle around that box on this page, and then you're going to just practice the Bible verse with the song a few times. Okay, it might take a few minutes to load, just like it's taking a few minutes on mine right now. But once it loads, you're going to push the play button and listen to the song and practice that way. That's the beginning part of the song. All right, go ahead and pause the video now. Choose how you want to practice your Bible verse and practice. See you in a few minutes. All right, everybody, all finished practicing your Bible verse? Very good job. Make sure you keep practicing because we're going to have a test at the end of the month to say the Bible verse all by yourself. All right, now we've done our Bible homework. Let's talk about our math homework. Our math homework today is a test for counting and writing numbers. So what I want you to do is go to this activity, and remember, I'm here in the instructions because we always want to go to the instructions first. So here's my activity. When I click View Instructions, it will open up this page, and I can click that box. And here you're going to find a video that has step-by-step instructions in case you forget what to do. Let's do the first part of the activity together, and then you guys are going to do the rest of it on your own. Pre-K, you only have to go down to number 10. This one that says the number 10, the 10th page. No, actually, I'm sorry, I think it's the 11th page. You're going to need to go, no, the 10th page. Sorry, friends. You only have to go to the 10th page. You're going to stop there. Kindergarten, you have to do all the pages. All right? But let's talk about how to do page number 1. So what I'm going to do is count how many items there are in the picture, and then I'm going to write the number in the box. Friends, last time we did this test, some people did not mark the pictures when they were counting, and they counted too fast, and they missed some numbers. These pictures do not go in order. The boxes don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to be careful and count how many on every page. It's really important, friends, because I really want to know what you know. I don't want you to get a bad grade just because you weren't careful. Okay, let's make sure that we're very careful. So I'm going to take my pen, and I'm going to cross off each heart as I count it. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 hearts. So in this box, I'm going to write number 3. I'm going to be super careful to make sure my 3 is going the right direction. I know that it's a little bit hard to write on Seesaw sometimes, so it's okay if your 3 is not super beautiful. But the most important thing is that you make sure it's going the right direction. All right, we don't want to put any backwards 3s on our seesaw. All right, everybody, that is all for my instructions. I want you to go ahead and get started right now. Do your best. Pause the video. All right, everybody, let's go on to our next activity. For reading time today, we are going to start reading some new stories. All the new stories that we're going to be reading are fiction stories. That's pretty cool because we're also writing fiction stories in our writing time. So in both our reading and our writing, we're going to talk about fiction. Do you remember what fiction means? It means a story that is not true. It's got some things in it that don't really happen in the real world. Today we're going to talk about some stories about a little chicken. You might have heard this story before. It's called Chicken Little. As you're listening to the story, I want you to pay attention to the ways that this story might be the same as the one you know, and other ways that the story might be different. So you'll have to make sure that you listen very carefully and don't just think about the story that you've already heard before. So remember, first we always view instructions. Then we're going to click this box here. When we click the box, the first thing you see here is my introduction. This is going to talk about fiction and nonfiction. So I want you to make sure that you watch that introduction first. Then you're going to watch the video. We have to click the link here to see this video about Chicken Little. And then last, you're going to listen to the questions that I made for you. And we're going to click this microphone button. Let's go and see where it is. This microphone button right here that tells me that gives me the chance to make an audio to answer the question. Friends, remember, it's okay if you don't know how to answer the question in English. You can answer the question in Spanish, but I do not want you to repeat what someone else is telling you. I want you to think about the question and answer it the best you can on your own. Friends, I want to know how much English you can understand. So if you hear the question, please don't wait on someone to translate it for you. Listen to the question, try to understand it the best you can, and then answer it the best you can. If you can't answer the question without someone translating for you, then just say, I don't know. All right, that'll help me know that we need to work a little bit more on that because I really want to help you to understand all the English things that we're saying. All right, let's pause the video. Go ahead and get started on your activity. Welcome back, friends. I hope you did your best work on that reading assignment. To celebrate and to take a little wiggle break, we're going to do a silly song called the Chicken Dance. So I want everybody to stand up. Ready? Here we go. Can you fly? Even though chickens can't fly. Good job, everybody. Here we go again. Getting faster. Can you do it? Woo! Very good job, everybody.